Hey Party Angel! Today we'll learn how to create an award-winning Patriotic Flamingo golf cart parade theme for your 4th of July day or night parade, complete with giant LED flamingos. I'm Madelyn, your party-loving bestie with 20 years of creating award-winning themes, and my favorite part is sharing tips and secrets like this Flocking Patriotic Flamingo with friends like you. So stick around for the end for the Angel secret of the day. This was our 4th of July theme evening golf cart parade competition in our beach town. If you want to stand out in a parade competition, you need a theme that's both memorable and unexpected. My first tip, if you're ever decorating for a parade theme, don't be afraid to go bold with an on-trend favorite like flamingos. Going bold is actually more affordable too sometimes because you might need less items on your float when they're covered with huge flamingos, right? I mean, those giant LED flamingos were an instant show-stopping crowd favorite. I paired those with neon flamingo lights, pink feather boas, patriotic flamingo garden flags, balloons, and I sprinkled as much of the American flag I could between the hot pink and the whole thing just came to life. My second tip is go for wow factor on the outfits for those riding on the float for extra impact. My girls were such good sports riding those inflatable flamingo costumes, and of course my friends and I had to dress the part too. We had a flamingo headpiece, pink LED tutus, and I even found American flag flamingo earrings for us. And guess what? We won first place in this community of over 500. Most decorations and outfits I found on Amazon, and I'll link everything in the description so you can recreate this whole flocking patriotic flamingo vibe yourself. Here's the angel secret of the day. A genius and affordable way to secure items on your golf cart parade float is zip ties. They are a godsend. Almost all of my decor on the cart was securely and safely secured with over 100 zip ties, and then they were easily snipped off and safely removed after. So if you're planning your next summer parade look, remember, a flock of fabulous flamingos will definitely get you noticed. Hit that like button if you love this theme, and don't forget to subscribe for more party theme angel inspo. Keep shining. We'll see you at the next party.